We'll see how to make a steel ladder in Solidworks. Welcome to CAD 36. We will see how to make a steel ladder in Solidworks. Go to top line and select sketch and make a rectangle, and rectangle this to be 1500 and this length to be 600. Just we will make the environment how the ladder will come, we'll see. So we'll make some concrete work here. So this is the foundation where the ladder going to place. So we will give approximate 200 mm. So go to select the surface and make sketch and go to normal and we'll make offset the wall to be 200 mm. So we will all offset for 200 mm. So close these lines so we can extend this portion. So go to extend, extrude boss. We'll extrude this portion. We'll our ladder, the wall height to be 2300 mm, 2300. So this is the wall and foundation, and we will keep small footing for the ladder projection. So this is the small footing. We will keep this width to be 200, and we'll fix some distance where the footing to be. So this is 100 and this length to be, we'll make 100 here, and still our line is in blue, so we need one more dimension to add. So we'll give this to be 700 mm. Okay, we'll change this 50 mm. Okay, so extrude this footing, small footing, 150 mm. Okay, yeah, this is the position. So we will make for this position we have to make a steel ladder. Okay, so we'll go to Weldment. If you cannot find Weldment, right click somewhere there, then you can find the Weldment. So go to Weldment and click the Weldment, then again click the 3D sketch. Okay, so when you go here also you can find the 3D sketch is selected. Okay, so select the line and check the axis, which axis we are in. If you want to change directly, you can press the tab in your keyboard and you can change the axis to draw in 3D. Okay, so I will take any reference line here. So I will go with the YZ direction because we need to go up. So I will take YZ. Again we want to go somewhere X or Z direction. See, that's why I change the tab and change to Z direction, and I draw the line and remove the relation here, that perpendicular relation, and select this end point of the line and select this surface where the ladder to be sit. So select this and give relation on plane, so it will match to the same level. Okay, so now we can give the dimension. So I will give approximately it should be 100 mm from there, and here should be 100 mm, so it will be in the center almost. And here also we can give some dimension from here to end to be the wall end to be 100 mm. So it will be in the center of the wall. Okay, and from the wall to the height we need minimum 1 meter the handrail should be. So we will keep 1 meter 1000 mm. So our sketch is in black, so it is fully defined. So we'll exit the sketch, and you can see in the 3D also. You can rotate and see. Then we go to the weldment and structural member. I will go with the JIS standard, Japanese standard. So go to the equal angle. I will take the 50 angle. So select the 50 angle size. Then you can directly draw your segments. Okay. So select this, and I need to change the profile. What I want. See, I don't want this and not this also. So we want this. You can change from the mirror profile as you like. If you want to change the location also, go to locate profile and you can change the profile also. So now it will be in the center. Okay, you can zoom it where you want. That is better to understand. Again, you can select the lines to make a profile, 50 angle profile, and how you want the corner cut also you can select it. I need the same one, so I will accept this. So this is what we make a profile here, steel ladder. So then what we do, you select this face and go to the reference geometry and make a one more plane here. Our ladder inside to be 580 mm. So I will keep our plane to be 290. So now I can mirror this. So I will get the ladder inside clear distance to be 580 mm. So I will select the plane and I go to the bodies to mirror, and I will select the bodies, the structure, and I will mirror it. But see, it is coming out of our concrete pedestal. So we'll adjust here. This is for the reference only. So we can adjust here. Okay. We'll make it into 1200, and we'll make this also. This, if you select this, that body it will automatically reflect here. So we can change again. This concrete pedestal also okay. Now it is all inside the our profile. Okay. Now our steel ladder is okay with this. Okay. Now make a sketch here. Select this plane and get a sketch and normal. Now we want to make the base plate here. So get this section view and select the other plane, and we'll take the section from here. Okay. So we can easily draw the base plate and change this to the wireframe also, better to easily understand. And take the corner rectangle and make a small rectangle here and keep dimensioning from this end to here to be here to here. Yeah, this to be 15 mm and this rectangle to be 50 75 square. This to be 15. Okay. Then go to extrude and extrude for 10 thick. We need 10 thick plate here, so extrude for 10 thick. Okay, again we will mirror this also. Select the plane, we'll select this plane and bodies to mirror and mirror. Okay, accept this till mirror. Okay, again remove the section view and create the section again, and we want to make it for the top plane above their top one. So go to the section view and increase the length somewhere here. Okay, then accept this. Again we'll make a sketch on the plane, not sketch on the plane, it is on the concrete portion 200 mm width. So we'll make a rectangle there. Okay, 75. And this to be 15 and 15. Okay, again extrude this plate. This plate to be extrude for 10 mm thick. So extrude for 10 mm thick. Again we want to mirror this. Better make it individual mirror. In case of future also we want to make it any modification, we can do it better. If you make it in one time mirror everything, it will be problem for the next time to modify. If it is individual, that is better. So we have done almost here, and we want to make a rods here to connect the frame. So we'll select the plane here, plane 2, and sketch. Initially we need to make a hole for the angle, then we want to make a rod to climb the ladder. So we'll make a hole here. We are proposed to make a 16 mm rod, so we'll keep the hole for 18 mm to cut the angle. Okay, so from bottom to hole center to be 100 mm, remaining all to be 200 mm. So select the direction. I will select the vertical direction, any one line, vertical line, select the line and make a distance for 200 mm, and here select the entity, what object you have to be pattern, you can select it and change the direction and just zoom out and check the quantity, how many quantity you want, you can add it here, and it is going one more also above, we no need that, we'll reduce to 11. Okay, we'll stick with the 11, so it will make a 11 steps, not steps, it's a 11 holes now we'll get, then we'll make 11 rods. Okay, these were 18 mm hole and length to be, we'll keep up to 630. Okay, and this is done, and we'll make again, select the plane, sketch, this time we'll do for the rod, we'll create the rod here. Okay, so select the plane, so select the plane and sketch and make a circle here 16 mm dia. So again we'll make the distance, no need distance, I think it is in the same, So we can directly go to the linear pattern and select the direction, the vertical direction, and make the spacing 200 mm and select the object. Okay, so select this 16 dia arc circle and give the distance 200 and change the direction and give the count to be 11 count. Increase your count so it will go with the same hole, match with the same hole, give 11 and accept this. Okay, then extrude the circle for 630 mm, but select the plane, mid plane, the condition to be mid plane, so it will be there. Good. So we have done the ladder, steel ladder. Then you can change your appearance as you like. So go to appearance and you can change the color as you like and select this structural item only, then go to appearance, then go to steel, metal, steel, and come down. There will be galvanized, so you can take care as you like. You can do what color you want. So this is how steel ladders are. You can make a steel ladder, and we'll see the fabrication drawing also in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video, and keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.